up, guys? It's Run the Gamer here, and today we're gonna do a height a mission. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I'm ready, yo. You ready?
God damn it, it's not home. Dude, that last one paid us so much. I'm good at so many fucking 18 and damn, Daniel. Fucking so cool. Damn, Daniela.
Where they at?
Where they at, though? Oh, I see, though.
He gonna kill me? No, he got me.
I shot him in the head. Yay, we're going on a trip. A favorite rocket ship.
But this gun is weak.
Doing a wheelie. I'm gonna fucking finger by them. You know what I'm saying?
I wish I could shoot you. Bro, what you did that for?
Here, you can have the ATV.
I don't need it.
That's your apology? Yeah. Yeah, that's my apology. It's the best one to give it an ATV.
Why is he hiding?
My parachute is low. What the fuck? I got him.
Did he got Antonio? Oh. Why he always come on you? He get Antonio, yeah. But it's 3-on-1. That's so sad. He gonna.
Wait, I thought they were all AKs. No, I thought they were. No, I thought like not all of them were.
Where is he?
AKs.
Oh, it's 2-on-1. Really? He killed me. Watch this.
Sorry.
You made that happen, man.
I actually didn't fucking me that time. I did not know.
He always hit me. Like, I don't know why. He did it on purpose.
You can have my ATV again. You can have it again.
Auntie got 5 kills.
Dude, he's on no help. He's on no help.
No, he almost got me. I know where he's at.
Hi. What?
Really, Antonio? Antonio's on a killing spree. That's my kill, man.
Ronnie, you stole my kill.
That's my kill. What are you talking about? No! She got. No. Antonio, tell Antonio you need
for me to get it.
Tell Antonio to keep turn his mic
You're
up.
like, yeah, let you get it. Fuck you.
We should do a last man standing mission, yo.
One more kill and then I'm on to finish. I don't know how I know. I don't know. I'm on help.
That guy is running, man. Why are you running, man?
Okay, never mind. I got by him. behind my. Oh, okay. Shot one.
Give me $1, man. Antonio, stop. I need some kills. I'm in last place now.
Well, I am a pro. He literally had a spawn shield, okay?
No! You're gonna kill me. I got him.
I'm going to die.
I almost died. Bruh. I was at a low health.
I'm gonna get a kill. Look at this one over here. Ronnie doesn't get it.
Oh, we win. Yeah. I'm in last place anyway, so it doesn't matter.
5,000.
I'm at rank 8,001. Yeah, I could go check out. You could go add my friend Antonio on PlayStation 3.
Wait, what?
Yeah, I tell you could go check out your channel.
3?
Check out you.
3?
Like,
3?
I said 3.
PlayStation 4. 3 would have been a
What happened?
How did I get to this bullshit? Let's do this
No,
one.
no. I ain't doing that.
This one.
Yeah. That guy always want to do the harder one and he always lose. Like, stop, bro.
What do people actually add me?
Like, I don't know.
Ronnie, you should play video playing with subscribers.
Huh?
You should play for the video playing with subscribers. You should do playing with subscribers.
What happened?
Playing with subscribers.
They will hear you, like, yeah.
Dude, make it on own, man, so you can have your own guns. So you can have your own guns, man. If you put it on own,
Yeah.
I can have it. Okay, never mind. Just true, but okay.
He started.
We're doing the off shotgun. Dude, that guy over there kind of the team, doesn't he, Antonio? The guy on the other team. How do you look at this one, Antonio or Asian?
Yeah, subscribe. Like and subscribe. Remember to do that, man.
Holy shit, my guy was crazy.
Why do we have a shotgun?
Dude, if this shotgun is one shot, one kill. There's a bike up here. We'll save more shotgun ammo. Do not forget.
I got one for.
I just saw Ronnie run someone over.
No, he shot me once and I died. Can I turn that sound off?
Oh, my favorite. Kind of. Yeah. No, my favorite regular pistol is a heavy.
Your what?
Like, my favorite pistol is a heavy pistol.
Oh, I thought you said you pew.
Dude, does this shit have auto aim?
Yeah, it does. I got him. This guy just rolling down the hill, man. Get you over there so that here, alright.
Dude, this heavy pistol is strong.
Yeah, it's like I keep this guy 2 shots and he died.
That's because he was on low health.
I can got him, bro. That was my kill.
Hey look, it's Trevor's car.
This not Trevor car. Oh, that one.
I'm probably gonna get shot for doing this random shit.
Where is he?
Oh shit. Mommy, this. Don't kill the military fox. Blue caliber does die sometimes.
This guy not doing nothing here. That guy, like, he's doing something.
But I need a sniper ace there.
You should make us use any gun.
I should have blown a fucking brick off.
Why did you shoot him?
Dude, I just got RP for like your kill.
Let's go. I need some kill. Hey, pick me up, Antonio.
Oh, God.
There's a sniper rifle up here.
Oh, Ronnie, you stole my kill.
Yeah, you stole my kill too.
Man, wow, bruh. I stole your kill,
You stole my kill, man. No, I'm going backwards. No.
Dude, just look, they're trying to snipe us.
Where's he running to?
Snipe up.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay, I'm not gonna waste my ammo.
He's coming back. Did he got a jet or something?
I don't know. Better not. That's fucking boring if he does.
Can we call Pegasus?
I was about to try right now. Ronnie, go after him.
I'm sorry, all of our operators are.
Oh, you can call Pegasus.
Let's stay over here and do a cool stuff.
Where's he going?
Running like a bitch. Right. Okay, he's spawned. Oh no. Oh, I know where he is. I might be able to snipe him from here. Oh, I got him. Bonnie, come on, you can do it.
I almost got him. No, he got me. No.
Where is he at though? That's the question.
He chose a sticky bomb.
I know where he is. He's right by a store.
How did he got him?
Ain't nobody there. Nobody got him.
How did he die, by the way? That bitch is right over here.
Wait, is he trying to blow ammunition?
Probably.
I'm gonna try to blow ammunition. He needs some milk. I don't know. I guess he's just walking. Wait, what's such a dumbass? We wasted our fucking vehicles.
There's no more vehicle here.
What do you mean? Ronnie got one blown up.
No, it didn't blow up.
You said he got you with a stinky bomb.
Like, yeah, I was trying to kill him, but the sticky bomb, he chose a sticky bomb, I didn't see it.
Fucking running from me, let's go.
Is he coming back?
right here. Kill that guy.
I got him.
You gotta go destroy that vehicle. Go destroy it, okay? And then you have to...
There's a bike here with
Oh, there's fucking bikes.
Woo!
To your right, Legend.
Oh, I made it back.
Go find him, go find him, go find him. I got auto.
I'm dead. Come on, save me. Huh?
Go after him.
Oh, get wrecked.
Look at the auto aim.
I can't, so that's good.
We should make us use any gun.
Street balls hard. That was good.
Put the bike over there. I gotta go destroy the bike over there. Or run there.
Huh?
Just leave it in case we need it. Leave it in case we need it.
No.
Oh no, he got me!
He got
Did
everybody.
he blow up the bike? Everyone talks at GTA once in their life, okay? Dude, where are the bikes?
He gone with it. He got a bike.
What happened to yours, Ronnie?
Huh?
What happened to yours?
Oh, there's one over here. Tonyo.
Hey, get me up. Pick me up.
There's no
Hold on.
See you later, Ronnie.
I'll go over there. I'll go get him.
Fucking where is this? There's no front wheels. Yeah, it just doesn't have a front wheel. Wait, there's a car over here. Never mind. Get in. It's gonna be hard because it doesn't have a front wheel though.
No, where is it?
Oh, I know, I literally just heard you. Oh, great.
Ooh. Oh yeah, we win again. What are we gonna do next? I'm in top place, I think. Yeah. Antonio's in last place.
No, not. That's legendary.
You what? Oh, you sure that you? I think I put thumbs down.
Hold on, put to my nose.
Ooh, the beach? No, refresh.
Yeah. Let's do some race. Let's do some race, yeah.
Well, you should have said it earlier.
Alright, so we're gonna do. So we're doing mission. Next we're gonna do a race.
You know how to kill someone whenever they're on a parachute?
What?
You know how to kill someone whenever you're there on a parachute?
How?
You just have to lock on him.
All I have to do is just get a flare gun, shoot, and then it'll go up.
Yeah, because you fucking did that to me last time. Don't you remember?
Yeah.
You shot a fucking flare on my parachute and I died.
So I'm gonna do this race. Next I'm gonna end it here.
Okay, kick the people. Only they kick them.
Yeah, I just started.
Oh, you know what? He's old. Just start, man. Just do this. Here's the other dude, Antonio, whoever. Antonio 2003.
Why? He didn't do shit.
One more person join.
Oh, come on. Why is there another one? You know what?
Invite
Started.
Carbon,
He left.
Tyrone.
Oh, he left.
Just put on support.
Start it.
No, don't put it on
Start
sports.
it. Start it. Start it.
What is it on? Yeah, that's the right thing it's supposed to be on.
I only started. Start it.
I think he's doing something.
Oh yeah, he started.
We have sports.
Yeah,
I
classic.
only have one super.
Classic as sports. Number of lap 2.
Well, I have plenty. I have plenty of them. They're really good though.
What kind of car should I use?
Comment.
Can I use a Batmobile? My Batmobile is looking up at well, I'm gonna use my Masako.
I'm better than myself. I'm better than 10 mil.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna use that car.
I'm not mil, 10 thousand.
I'm betting 100. That's a little light.
$100?
That's a lot in real life. Right.
What do you mean a lot? I bet 30,000. I mean like $30,000. I bet 30,000.
3,000?
30,000.
Oh, you bet 30,000.
I bet 30,000.
Wait, I have a clown horse. No.
This car could take over all those cars.
Dude, the front guy, the guy in front owns the
But I think I'm gonna get that boost, but I didn't get it.
I'll get it again. Oh, slip street. Slip street. I told you the guy in front owns the fucked up.
Who's in first place? For real?
No, I'm in first place.
This guy's on pressure, yo. You got pressure. Pressure. Are you for real?
Oh my god. What are you guys doing? Oh my god.
Oh, I'll pass all of you. I got it.
Oh my god, why didn't you put traffic off? This is bullcrap.
Because you can't drive, that's why. Antonio, I'm coming for you.
In the pussy?
I'm coming for you.
Bitch, papa.
Antonio can't drive good. This guy's definitely doing something. Oh no! Oh, you crashed too, Antonio. I see you.
Guys, I'm catching up.
Antonio. I'm in first place now. No! Yeah, you got spun out again. I'm in first place. He can't win me.
This is what you get for what you did to me when I was in the first.
Yeah, Antonio. I know this car could body all of those cars, man. I mean, can you jump out your car? No. Ooh, look at that jiff though. Oh, you passed Antonio?
Oh, that's second place though. Ew, that ugly third place guy though.
Who is that?
Your place was Antonio.
What's this guy doing?
Dude, the other Antonio's not even moving.
Yeah, you know, right? He's just sitting there. Oh, he's doing
Like,
something.
fuck it. He's probably waiting.
I'll win you, Anthony. Bro, he was so far from me and I catch up on him. He got the DNF.
Bye.
I come first place. You win. 3 minutes and 16
Oh, God.
seconds.
You're not finished. I think you're finished. You said that everything was tough, so you
Yeah. And remember, drop a like. And I'll
I
see you
lost
soon.
$100.
Hey, Antonio. You want to give a shout out to someone? I don't know.
Wait,
I wanna give a shout out to myself.
Alright, so yeah. I'm gonna end the video right here. So
shout out. Wait, hold on, I gotta give a shout out. Okay, guys, so subscribe to Ronnie's video, cause y'all don't add me and invite me, no, fuck y'all up.
And don't add me because my friend is full, so yeah.
alright. I'm gonna end the video here. Remember to like, subscribe, and remember I wanna give away the 5 Mali account if I get 150 subscribers. So yeah.